Good afternoon, all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput. Today we are discussing about production of penicillin. How to do production of penicillin. This is the antibiotics. These are the objective of the production of penicillin. We are to be able to identify useful product for microorganism, and microorganism use the main stage of production of penicillin, and downstream processing is generally used in this fermentation process. uh, Downstream processing products in the fermenter and impure and dilute, so need to purify the downstream processing. This usually involve the filtration, separate the microbial cells from the liquid medium, then they will be purified by the particular chemicals. Antibiotics and antimicrobial agents produced naturally by the microbes. First, 1896, Ernest Duchess discovered the penicillin, and 1928, Alexander Fleming identified the penicillin from Penicillium notatum. The antibiotic substances named as a penicillin purified until 1914, Florey and Chain. Penicillin is the first important commercial product by the aerobic submerged fermentation. When penicillin was first made up by the Second World War using fungus Penicillium notatum. Now this time we are using a Penicillium chrysogenum for production of penicillin. Antibiotics can be selectively toxic by the targeting such as a feature as bacterial cell wall, 17S, ribosomes, enzymes, and using specific bacteria. These cells are eukaryotic cells. For example, penicillin, ampicillin, methicillin. These are the narrow spectrum negative bacterial cells. Other antimicrobial antibiotics, they have cell membranes. They are using in DNA replication, transcription, and translation. And how to do penicillin production? There are 10,000 different antibiotics known by the 2000. This is used in a 200 commercial uses. Generally, how to do penicillin production? Generally, we are using a penicillin chrysogenum as a microorganism for a penicillin production, and there are some lactose, sugar, and nitrogen sources in a growth medium. We are using cultures. We are using bacterial cells for culture and yeast extract, and further they were added in a fermenter. Then we are processing in a stationary period. Downstream processing is relatively easy to since simple penicillin secreted into medium by break open the fungal cells. This is the process of penicillin. First, we have add in a medium corn strip liquor, yeast extract, pH buffer in feed fermenter, and 10 times in a 6 day remove 30% culture and 30% of fresh medium. Then we have using a rotator filter. Then we have see fungal cells. We are extracting the fungal cells and animal feeds, and we are filtrate and then dissolve in butyrate. Then potassium ions added for the precipitated salts of the penicillin, wash, filter, and dry. 99.5% pure penicillin. Then chemical and enzymatic modified, we can isolate new antibiotics. Thank you.